Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove Control Center from lock screen on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down again. Now check out this Allow Access When Locked section from this list of apps. Turn off the Control Center. Also, you can check out other options. You can disable from the lock screen on your iPhone. Disabling these Control Center options will no longer give you access to open the Control Center when your device is locked. Well, I cannot do this because there is no passcode or Face ID set as a lock on my device. So guys, this is how you can disable or turn off your Control Center from your lock screen on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.